Today I will just use this method of writing here. System is not working properly, therefore I will just write it and show it to you. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. The question is, find the value of n so that the equation v is equals to r to the power of n multiplied by 3 cos square theta minus 1 satisfies the relation or the equation dou by dou r multiplied by r square dou v by dou r plus 1 by sin theta dou by dou theta of sin theta into dou v by dou theta is equal to 0. You take a look at the question again. It is, you are supposed to find out the value of n, where we have the equation v is equals to r power n 3 cos square theta minus 1. This equation will satisfy the relation which is given by the partial derivative of dou by dou r multiplied by r square into dou v by dou r plus 1 by sin theta dou by dou theta of sin theta into dou v by dou theta. That will be equated to 0. How we can approach this question?
Find dou v by dou r and dou v by dou t.
So we just have to find out dou v by dou r and dou v by dou theta. That's all. Hello, am I audible? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Is the screen properly, or any like poor quality video is coming there, or can you see this
No, sir,
question
screen is
properly?
clear.
We can see, sir.
Sir, we can see, sir.
Yeah. See, the idea is, this is also one of the very important question, just like the problem which we have solved, x power x, y power y, z power z is equals to c in the previous class. Similar to this, what you're supposed to do is, don't straight away go from this end here. Like, don't start from dou by dou r square, dou v by dou r plus 1 over sin theta. All start from this side, or you just take one term at a time. Like, if I consider this term, I just have to find out dou v by dou r, then the result will be multiplied by r square. Then this result will be differentiated partially with respect to r. Just do like that. Don't go this side. That is dou by dou r, r square, dou v by dou r. Let me take v is equals to r to the power of n multiplied by 3 cos square theta minus 1. So this is my v is equals to r power n 3 cos square theta. I will differentiate this with respect to r only. What happens? How many independent variables we are considering in this question?
Two.
Sir,
2.
R and theta.
R.
Theta are the independent variables. V is the dependent variable. Therefore, what I can do is I can just treat 3 cos square theta minus okay 3 cos square theta minus 1 as constant, and I just have to differentiate r power n. What is the differentiation of r power n with respect to r?
N into R power N minus
N into R is to N minus 1.
N into r to the power of n minus 1. Anything else should be written? No, right? No. Okay.
No, sir.
Just a minute. You can observe. I just completed the differentiation of this v with respect to r. The next term says that I am supposed to multiply this dou v by dou r by r square. If I just do that, it will become n into r to the power of n minus 1 is here, multiplied by r square into 3 cos square theta minus 1. Can you simplify this? By the law of indices, can I make this as r to the power of n plus 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You all agree? I can just
Yes,
proceed.
sir. Because R and
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is by the law of indices. N minus
मैं ऐड कर रहा है ना
minus 1 plus 2 will become plus 1. So that is r square into dou v by dou r. Good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, it says that this term has to be differentiated with respect to which variable?
R.
R. So I will take dou by dou r. This function r square dou v by dou r has to be differentiated partially. Again, which term you are going to treat as constant?
3 cos square theta minus 1 and n.
Good. N is also treated as constant. Along with that, 3 cos square theta minus 1 will be treated as constant. And differentiation
Plus 1 into r power.
n plus 1 multiplied by r to the power of n plus 1 minus 1.
Minus 1.
Plus
Yes,
1
sir.
and plus 1 will get cancelled. You will just get r power.
yes, sir.
Is it correct? Whatever I have written in the right hand side, is it just r or should I write something else? R n plus 1 or something?
No, sir. It should be
No,
R.
sir.
Correct.
N plus 1 minus 1 will be there. Plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. You are going to get r power n because differentiation of x power n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Because of that, we will get this result. Fine. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I will just write n into n plus 1, these two terms as it is. R power n multiplied by 3 cos square theta minus 1, r power n multiplied by 3 cos square theta minus 1. Can we write that as v?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, in order to just have some simplified term, I will just take it as n into n plus 1 multiplied by v. Let me call this as equation number 1. I'm just done with the first part of the equation, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what I'm supposed to do for the second term?
We have to differentiate with
Should I start
respect to
from
theta.
sine theta or should I start from dou v by dou theta?
Dou v by dou theta.
Dou v by dou.
Dou v by dou theta.
Very good. Dou v by dou theta. Just observe here. You have r power n and 3 cos square theta minus 1. Which term can be treated as constant in these?
R power n.
R power n.
R power n.
Okay. What is the differentiation of 3 cos square theta minus 1 with respect to theta?
minus 6 sin theta.
Minus, is it just 6 sin theta or minus 6
Cos
cos
theta.
theta?
Minus 6 cos
Minus 6
theta
cos
sin
theta.
theta.
No, please observe. It is of the form x power n. Because of that, you will write 2 cos theta. That is the term differentiated for cos square theta. Into differentiation of cos theta will become minus sin theta. Hence, can I say it is minus 6 cos theta and multiplied by sin theta?
Yes, sir.
sir.
You have to confirm. So if the differentiation is not correct, we are not going to get the answer. Is it fine if I write minus 6 cos theta into sine theta for the differentiation of 3 cos square theta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Other, what do you say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this result has to be multiplied by sine theta.
Sin theta.
Sin theta.
We take that sine theta into dou v by dou theta. I will remove this negative sign outside. R power n, let us keep as it is. 6 also I will write it outside. And then cos theta multiplied by sine theta into sine theta, that becomes sine square theta into cos theta. Am I correct? After multiplication of this, will it become sine square theta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This result has to be now differentiated with respect to which variable?
Theta.
So let us take dou by dou theta of sine theta dou v by dou theta. Minus 6 r to the power of n will be treated as constant. And now you are supposed to see how exactly the term is given here. Sine square theta into cos theta. Both are functions of theta. How do you differentiate them?
Product rule.
Let us
Product rule.
theta as it is. Differentiation of cos theta will become minus sine theta. Am I correct? Product rule. First function kept as it is into differentiation of cos theta is minus sine theta. I hope it is correct.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Should I stop the differentiation or continue?
We have to continue for sine square theta.
Second term kept as it is. Differentiation of sine square theta will become 2 sine theta into differentiation of sine theta will give us.
Cos theta.
Now let me try to simplify this. Before that, I have a term 1 over sine theta. Shall I directly multiply 1 over sine theta to this and simplify?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And one thing, some students, what they do is they will try to cancel this sine theta and sine theta here. Can we do that?
No, sir. We can't.
No, sir.
We can't do that.
Yeah, you cannot do this. Please don't try to cancel them because it is function multiplied here. Dou by dou theta, this has to be differentiated, then the resultant will be multiplied by sine theta. So please take care of this. Do not cancel here. Here, 1 over sine theta will be multiplied now. Can we cancel one term here? 1 sine
Yes,
theta
sir.
will
We
get
can
cancelled.
cancel sine.
Yes, sir.
Minus sine square theta will be there. Plus 2 times, can I just say cos square theta will be there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now try to manipulate my result. Sine square theta, can I express it as 1 minus cos square theta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but it will be with negative sign because there is a negative sign. 1 minus cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta. If I just distribute the negative sign inside, this negative sign inside, it will become 6r to the power of n 1 minus cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta. Do you agree? Anything
Yes.
wrong distributing this negative sign inside now? Minus multiplied by minus becomes plus. Therefore, it remains as 1 minus cos square theta. And this negative sign multiplied by plus 2 will become minus 2 cos square theta. Hope
Yes,
it is.
sir. It's correct, sir.
Okay. Can we do some simplification inside this bracket now? You have a cos square
3
theta
cos square theta.
and 2 cos square theta again with negative sign. Can we say it is 3 cos square theta with negative sign?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I just
Yes, sir.
remove a negative sign common from this now, I will tell you why I am removing a negative sign. If I just remove a negative sign common, it becomes minus 6r to the power of n. 1 instead of that 1, first I will get 3 cos square theta minus 1. Am I correct? Can we write this 6r power n 1 minus 3 cos square theta as minus 6r? Okay. Why I have done this? R power n into 3 cos square theta minus 1 is considered to be the given function v. Can I rewrite this r power n into 3 cos square theta minus 1 as just v?
Yes, sir.
If anything is wrong, you please let me know. Anything wrong?
It's minus 6v only.
Minus 6v. Good. Now, they are saying that we are supposed to find out the value of n which satisfies this equation. I will just substitute whatever I have got it for this term. What is the term which we have got it for? Dou by dou r into r square dou v by dou r. Can you just observe? Is it just n into n plus 1 times v?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is n into n plus 1 multiplied by v. Whereas the second term on simplification, we just got it as minus 6v. And when you add these two, they are saying that it becomes 0. I've just substituted the result which we have got. Can we get n for this now? It is n square plus n minus 6 is equal to 0. If I divide throughout by v, will I get that expression? N square plus
Yes, sir.
n.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I just divided throughout by v because I don't need v now. I am very much interested in finding out the value of n. Is it a quadratic equation?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I hope you know how to find out the root of this equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You are going to take minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. With that, if I solve,
N equal to 2 or minus 3.
2 or minus 3, sir.
2 or
Yes,
minus
sir.
3.
We should take
Just to
3 or
confirm
minus
that,
2.
you can substitute n as 2 here. 2 square becomes 4. 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to that. And then minus 3 also, if you put it here, it becomes 9 minus 3 minus 6. That becomes 9 minus 9. That also satisfies this
0.
equation. Therefore, there are two possible values for n, which is 2 and minus 3, that satisfies this relation, right? If you put n is equal to 2, n is equals to 2 or n is equals to minus 3, both will satisfy the given equation. Is it correct?
Yes,
Any-
sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any questions, you please.
No, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Okay, then I will move on to the next question. Let us, if v is equals to x power y and y power x, prove that x times dou v by dou x plus y times dou v by dou y is equals to v times x plus y plus log v. This is the question. X times dou v by dou x plus y times dou v by dou y is equals to v times x plus y log v. What can you say about the function?
Sir, symmetric.
Independent variables it is having.
2
What are they?
X and Y.
and y.
X and Y, sir.
X and y. So in the question it says that you are supposed to have some logarithmic v. Now in order to see, if I just differentiate as it is it going to be complicated? Complicated in the sense, you're going to use product rule.
Yes, sir.
How do you
Yes, sir.
differentiate x power y into differentiation of y power x when you take this with respect to x? you are going to have the form a power x. Therefore, the differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Plus,
Sir, we
when
can use log
differentiation
difference.
first second into first term, it will become y into x to the power of y minus 1. All these things we are supposed to do, right? But what
Yes,
I will do is I will just apply
We have to use log on both sides.
yeah, that's what I'm trying now. I'm applying logarithm on both sides. When I apply logarithm on both sides, what happens to this term? Can I write it as log x power y plus log
y to the power
y? Is it permitted? Is it permitted here to take like log of ab can be written as log a plus log b?
Yes, sir.
Further,
Yes, sir.
can you apply any rule of logarithm for this term and the second term in the right hand side?
Yes, sir. You can say, bring the y forward. Yeah, that.
X log y. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is as good as saying your ln v is equals to y ln x plus x ln.
x ln y.
Ln stands for natural logarithm. Now I will differentiate this partially with respect to x. What happens to this left hand side quantity now? Is it 0?
No, it will become
1
1
upon
by
v,
v
dou v by dou x.
1 by v first, and then differentiation of v with respect to x gives us dou v by dou x. Correct? Hello?
So,
Okay. Next, I have y log x. How do you differentiate this y log x? Do I need any product rule for this differentiation of y log x?
No, sir.
yes, sir.
No.
Y remains constant.
And differentiation of this will become 1 by x. Next, x log y. How do you differentiate? Should I treat
It
x as
becomes-
constant, y as
It
constant?
becomes log y.
Log Y constant.
Y is treated as constant, and differentiation of x with respect to x is
1.
now I will just take dou v by dou x. This v I will cross multiply it to the other side, becomes y by x plus log v. Can we do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
I need dou v by dou x that will be multiplied with x. Since I just have dou v by dou x, I will just multiply this by x. X into dou v by dou x. What happens? V kept as it is. Will it just become y now? After multiplication of x, this x and x will get cancelled, right? When I multiply x,
X log.
Yes, sir.
the next one will become. I hope it is correct. Not, you please let me know.
It's correct, sir.
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
Can I straight away find dou v by dou y?
Yes, sir. We can.
Why?
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Why?
So it's a symmetric function.
Exactly. It is a symmetric function. When you replace x by y by x, the function will not change, because when you replace x by y and y by x, it first term becomes y power x and the second term will become x power y. That is the same function, v. Therefore, what is dou v by dou y? It is v times
X plus y
X
log
plus
x.
Y log X.
x by y first. I'm still having dou v by dou x only. Dou v by dou y.
Oh, okay.
will
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Plus
y.
log X.
Plus log
Right.
x.
Then this, if I multiply it by y, what will happen? Is v into x plus y log x, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let me call this as equation number 1 and equation number 2. I will add them. Equation number 1 and equation number 2, if I add that, it is x times dou v by dou x plus y times dou v by dou y will be equal to, how do you add right hand side terms of equation number 1 and 2?
So taking v common x plus y.
V common, okay, done.
X plus y plus x log y plus y log x.
X log y plus,
Y log x.
Y log x.
okay, v times x plus y, I will retain as it is. You just observe the third and fourth term of this expression, x log y plus y log x. We have considered
Sir, V. Okay, we can write log V.
Log v.
Log V, sorry.
x log y plus y log x, we have considered it as
Log v.
log v. That's all they have asked us to prove. You can see the question again. It is x times dou u by dou x plus y times dou u by dou y, v times x plus y log v. Have I got that result now?
So,
Yes, sir.
Have any questions, you please let me know. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Is it understandable?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understandable, sir.
Yes, sir. Let me try one complicated problem now. That is, if theta is equals to e to the power of n, e raised to the power of minus r square divided by 4t, this is our theta, then similar to the first question only, what value of n will make this relation true? That is 1 by r square dou by dou r square dou theta by dou r, which is equals to dou theta by dou t. Does it?
Sir, it's r square minus r square by 4t, na?
E power minus r square by 4t.
Okay, sir.
All these terms like r square by 4t, it is the exponential power here.
Okay, sir.
It is not the entire thing divided by 4t. R square will be divided by 4t. That is in the exponential power. Okay. Can I say theta is an independent variable here?
No, sir. Dependent.
No, sir.
Theta is a dependent variable.
Are you sure?
T and R are independent.
Exactly. See, why I
Yes,
have taken problem is you should be in a position now to analyze which one is dependent and which one is independent. Please do not blindly come to the conclusion that R and theta are independent. Here, theta is the dependent variable. R and T are the independent variables. Theta is dependent, right?
Yes, sir.
Can I say theta is a function of R and theta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How do you differentiate it? That's the question. What can we do? Firstly, see, I hope you have understood the first question which we have solved today. How I done this? I just took the partial derivative first and then multiplied it by r square, and whatever it said, like dou by dou r, dou by dou theta, whatever it was there, I was just considering like that, right? Can I follow the same rule here for this question also?
Yes, sir.
Should I
Yes,
start
sir.
with r square or should I start with dou theta by dou r?
Dou theta.
Dou theta by dou r.
Then that result has to be multiplied by,
R square.
R square.
then the resultant will be differentiated or multiplied by dou r. What should I do after multiplying this r square by
Differentiated, sir. Differentiate with
actually
respect.
with respect to r? Then The resultant will be again multiplied by 1 over r square.
1.
Firstly, I will take this dou theta by dou t because it is the only partial derivative which is available in the right hand side. Let us finish that and then come to that left hand side part. How do you differentiate theta with respect to t now? Do you have function of theta here? That is, one is t power n, other one is e power. Just say you have x power n and e power x. If you have x power n and e power x, how do you differentiate that with respect to x?
Product rule.
Product rule. Similarly, here also the product rule. It is first function t power n kept as it is into differentiation of the second one. How do you differentiate the second one?
E raised to the power minus r square upon 40 into
Minus r square by 4t into differentiation of the interior term that has to be considered with respect to t. Here you have what? Here you have r square by 4, which is constant. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Then minus 1 by t square. So minus gets cancelled.
So I will write one step. Minus 1 by t square.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yep.
Am I done with the differentiation of first into second?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please check it whether I have done it correctly or not. Otherwise, we won't get the answer.
Correct, sir.
Correct agide. It is the second term now minus r square by 4t, that is the exponential power e power minus r square by 4t kept as it is into differentiation of t power n. What is that?
And t to the power n
t to
minus
the power n minus 1.
Okay. Here I will just try to take e power minus r square by 4t as common. Fine. Can I take that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What else we have in the first term, that is t power n.
And
Simplify this and write it as
t
r
power minus 1.
divided by 4t square
Yes, sir.
plus n into t to the power of n.
Minus.
Hope I have written correctly. E power minus r square by 4t.
T power n minus 2 you can take common.
We can also take t to the power n common.
Take t to the power of n minus 1. I will take common.
Okay.
The first term I will be.
40.
Yeah, just a minute. R square by 4 will be there. See here, there may be some confusion. That is t to the power of, here I will show it. T to the power of n divided by t square. Can I write it as t to the power of n minus 2? Here I have
Yes,
t
sir.
power divided by t square. Can I write that as t power n minus 2? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can write it like that.
Next step, what I will do here is I will write as t to the power of n minus 1 and t power minus 1. I will just use the law of indices here. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if I do that, this term will become t power n minus 1 divided by t. Can I say that?
Yes,
T
sir.
power n divided by t square. Can we write that as t power n minus 1 divided by t? Since t power n minus 1 is common, I have shifted this outside these two.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What else should be there in the first term? Have I written correctly? Is it 4t or 4t square?
40.
t square.
40, sir.
40.
Yes,
See, all I can proceed.
Yes, sir. 40.
Yes, sir.
40.
40.
4t only. What about the last term?
Plus n.
Plus n.
Plus n. That's all. So I will just call this as equation number 1. The left hand side part is dou t by dou theta by dou t. This is my equation number 1. I will come back to this part. That is left hand side quantity. They have given some relation. Firstly, I will take dou theta by dou r. How do I take that? Dou theta by dou r. Here. You have theta as t to the power of n, e raised to the power of minus r square by 4t. How do you differentiate this?
We take t power n as constant.
T power n constant.
Let it
We
take product.
differentiate the
We have
second
to take
to the
Product rule or
no the
no product rule?
we don't
T power n is complete
product rule.
when you are differentiating partially with respect to r, right?
Sir,
sir.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, please.
Sir, in differentiating dou theta by dou t in the
Ah.
second step, when we take t to the power n inside,
This term or here.
okay, no sir, nothing sir.
Any confusion? No, I have not taken this inside. I have just used the law of indices. It is t power n divided by t square. That step I have shown here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here I will go to the differentiation of theta with respect to r, where t power n is treated as constant. Differentiation of e power minus r square by 4t as e power minus r square by 4t only. But differentiation of that interior term will give us some term. What is that? Minus 1 by 4t should be treated as constant, and differentiation of r square will become
2r.
2r. On simplification, can I write it as t to the power of n along with a negative sign here? There is a negative. 2 divided by 4. Can I write it as 2 in the denominator? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I write that t? What else is there now? E power minus r square by 4t along with that.
Minus 2r.
See, just observe here. 2 divided by 4 is how much?
Oh yeah, 1.
Have I written that outside?
Yeah.
This
Yes, sir.
t
Yes, sir.
have I written outside?
Yes, sir.
Negative sign I have taken it outside, and we just have r from this term now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before going to the next step, here it says that you are supposed to multiply the result by
R square.
r square. Let us take that r square into dou theta by dou r. What happens? Can we write it as minus t to the power of n minus 1 divided by 2 here? This simplification, t power n divided by t, will it become t power n minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What happens to the next term after multiplication by r square? Will this become r power 4 or?
No, sir, it will remain
No,
the
sir.
same.
R cube.
R cube. Do not multiply that r square to the power. It is to be multiplied to the entire term. Since already you have a r here, that makes it as r cube. Hope it is correct.
Yes.
Okay. What the next step here says? It says that you are supposed to differentiate this r square dou theta by dou r with respect to r again. Shall we treat this t to the power of n minus 1 divided by 2 again as a constant when you are differentiating with respect to r?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What
Yes,
is the differentiate this e power minus r square by 4t multiplied by r cube?
Product rule.
Product rule. Shall we go with your friend? She is saying it is product rule. Shall I apply that?
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
First term into differentiation of the second one, that is 3r square, plus second term into differentiation of the first one, that is e power minus r square divided by 4t into differentiation of interior term. What will happen to the interior term?
Minus
Can I
2
say it is minus
40.
2r by 4t?
Yes, sir.
No, if there is any confusion, please let me know before going to the next step. Because if we go wrong in any of the differentiation here, our answer will not be correct. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Before going to the next step, let me simplify this. It is 3r square e to the power of minus r square by 4t plus, can I say it is, or shall I write it as minus only here? Because there is a negative sign here. Multiplied by this plus becomes minus. Hello?
Yes,
There is a
sir.
negative
Yes, sir.
here after initiation.
Yes.
Can we make it as minus?
Yes, will become minus.
Minus. Then 2 divided by 4. Can I write it as 2 in the denominator?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Along
sir.
with t. Correct, Aidu?
Yes, sir. It's correct, sir.
R multiplied by r cube becomes r power 4. And we are just left out with e to the power of minus r square divided by 4t now. I hope it is correct now. All these terms are.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is just dou by dou r square, dou theta by dou r. The last part says here that you are supposed to multiply this result by 1 over r square. I will just do that. 1 over r square will be multiplied for this dou theta by, dou by dou r square, and dou theta by dou r. Minus t to the power of n minus 1 divided by 2. Can we take something common from these two here?
R square.
E power minus r square by 4t.
Minus r square divided by 4t is common. So now you please have in mind that you are distributing 1 over r square inside. What happens to this term when I distribute 1 over r square inside? Will it cancel?
3.
Gets
R
cancelled.
square will get
R square
cancelled,
and
become
r
3.
square will get cancelled, right? When I
Yes.
just that inside.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have removed e power minus r square by 40. Therefore, it is just minus 3, only 3. Then now you have r power 4. When you divide this by r square, it becomes, is it just r square?
It'll be r square by 2t.
R square divided by 2t. I think I completed the left hand side part of this equation. Only thing which is remaining now is we just have to compare these two. Have I got dou theta by dou t?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
equate them and we need to cancel some terms and get the value of n. The left hand side part, I will just write it minus t to the power of n minus 1 divided by 2 e to the power of minus r square divided by 4t 3 minus r square divided by 2t, which should be equal to dou theta by dou t. That dou theta by dou t we have considered it as, you can see there is a equation number 1. It is t to the power of n minus 1 e to the power of minus r square by 4t. Along with this, there is r square by 4t plus n. R square by 4t plus n. Now, if you compare this, can we cancel something?
T to the power of n minus 1.
This term can be cancelled, right? Can I also cancel t power n minus 1 on both sides?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you see what is remaining here. Is it just minus 1 by 2 multiplied by this term? Can I say minus 3 by 2 now? If I take minus 1 by 2 inside, will it become minus 3 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Can you please let me know the last of this left hand side? Will it become plus because of the negative sign distribution?
Yes, it will become plus itself.
Plus, but the term will be
R square by 4t.
How many of you say it is r square by 4t, or is it just r square by 2t?
R square by 4t, sir.
What is left out in the right hand side now?
T, sir.
R square by 4t plus
n.
n. Can I again cancel these two? It is not by the cancellation law. When you shift this to the other side, it becomes minus r by 4t plus r square by 4t, and minus r square by 4t will get cancelled, right? It is not by division. When you shift this to the other side, it will become minus r square by 4t, right?
So,
Yes, sir.
And what is the value of n which you are getting?
Minus 3 by 2.
That's all. This is the answer which we require. the value of n should be minus 3 by 2. So if you take n is equals to minus 3 by 2, then this equation will be satisfied. Sometimes the same question will be asked by just giving the value of n as minus 3 by 2. You can refer few textbooks, they will write it as t to the power of minus 3 by 2 e power minus r square by 4t, or with some different variables. Instead of t, they may take it as x. Instead of r, they may take it as y, or some different independent variables they can use. So, but this is the procedure, nothing more than the differentiation rule. Just differentiation and simplification of this.
Could you show the last part once more?
Yeah, here.
Yes, sir.
See, what I have done is, see, up to here, if you have understood, I have just considered this relation now. 1 by r square dou by dou r square dou theta by dou r is equal to dou theta by dou theta. This part is 1 over r square dou by dou r square thing. I have written it in the left hand side, this part. Is it okay? T power minus n by n minus 1 divided by 2 e power minus r square by 4t 3 minus r square by 2t. It should be equal to dou theta by dou t. Dou theta by dou t is nothing but this t power n minus 1 e power minus r square divided by 4t r square by 4t plus n. Even that I have considered in the right hand side. T power n minus 1 can be cancelled. E power minus r square by 4t can be cancelled on both sides. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have a negative 1 by 2 here. That I will distribute for this term. Negative 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 becomes negative 3 by 2. Negative 1 by 2 multiplied by negative becomes positive r square by 4t. Since already you have 2 here, 2 multiplied by 2, that becomes 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And the last part of this right hand side is r square by 4t plus n. So you can cancel these two, because when you bring this to the other side, assume there is 4 and this is 4. If you bring this to the other side, it becomes minus 4. 4 minus 4 can be cancelled, or 4 minus 4 will become 0. Similar way, r square by 4t, when you bring it to the other side, it becomes 0. So we will be left with only n. That value of n is minus 3 by 2.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions? Shall I try one last problem on this partial differentiation? From next week onwards, I have to start the new topic called total derivative. So I will wind up this session by taking one simple question. If u is equals to e to the power of x, y, z, then find dou cube u over dou x, dou y, dou z. Which is same thing as u, z, y, x. How do you find it out? What is the order of the derivative here?
First with respect to x, z, then y, then x.
What is the order of the second order derivative?
Third order.
Third order. sir.
Third order.
Friend told correctly, it is third order, and then we'll first differentiate this with respect to z, then with respect to y, later on with respect to x, right?
Yes, sir.
Z, y, x. So I will take dou u by dou z. Can somebody tell what will be the differentiation of this with respect to z? E power x, y, z will be
Into xy.
E power xyz into xy.
XY.
Now I will differentiate this with respect to y. What will happen? How do you differentiate this? Product rule.
Yes, sir. We have to use product rule.
E power xyz into differentiation of xy with respect to y will give us
Give us e power xyz
Yes.
into
Can
xy.
I treat x as
Doing.
constant?
Yes, xz will be constant.
Okay, here. This xy, in this x is nothing to do with differentiation, no? Because x is complete constant.
Yes, sir. Then yes,
Differentiation of this y with respect to y will become
1.
1. Plus y into differentiation of e power xyz is e power xyz into differentiation of interior term is
xz.
xz or xy?
xz.
Sir.
Xz. So it is dou square u over dou y dou z. That is x into e power xyz plus x square yz e power xyz. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
If I take the x inside, can we take something common here?
X and e power xyz.
X into e
And
power
e
x.
power yz can be taken common. It becomes 1 plus x y z I hope. I hope it is correct. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But the differentiation, I hope it is going to be complicated for the next dou square u over dou y dou z. If I differentiate this with respect to x, how do you differentiate it? Shall I treat this
Y
entire
and Z constant.
function? Shall I treat this as entire first function? Actually, you
Yes,
have a product rule like with x e power xyz, this into differentiation of second one. Here again x square into differentiation. If you take this, you're supposed to have 4 terms. First into differentiation of second, second into differentiation of first. Next, first into differentiation of second, second into differentiation of first. Or else the rule is, if you treat this as entire first function, differentiation of the second one with respect to x, what it will be?
1 plus y, 0 plus yz.
0 plus yz or 1 plus yz?
0.
Others, what do you say?
0 plus yz only.
0 plus yz.
0 plus yz.
Next, I will take 1 plus, we will write it here, 1 plus xyz kept as it is. How do you differentiate this first function with respect to x? That you tell me.
You have to take product rule separately in the brackets.
Product rule. How do you take that product rule? First function into e to the power of xyz into differentiation of interior term with respect to x will become yz, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus e power xyz kept as it is into differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Now if I remove e power xyz as common from all the terms, it will be e power xyz, x multiplied by yz becomes xyz, and here what is the term you have? 1 plus xyz multiplied by xyz plus 1. Am I correct? This is the product you have here. See, e power xyz I have removed common. X into yz, that is xyz. And this is 1 plus xyz, that will be multiplied by xyz plus 1. Can I now say it is just xyz plus 1 plus xyz the whole square?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Further simplification is not required. Why it is not required means they have not asked us to prove anything here. Therefore, I can stop here. Should I continue with any more simplification?
No, sir.
I can expand it like a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and all those simplification can be done. But since they have not asked us to prove anything, just to get the third order derivative of the function, we have obtained it. That's all.
Sir,
Please.
is it okay if I leave the answer at third last step and not simplify further?
This one.
The
Or
third
this.
last step. Yeah, there.
I can leave there, no problem.
Okay, sir.
If at all they don't ask you to prove anything, you can leave.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Any questions? I think I just finished the basics of this partial differentiation. Now I have to consider the next topic, that is total derivative. It is something related with